In this video, you'll see how Grace works for you. Now, in order to get started, click on the Sign Up button at the bottom of the home page, and Grace will now ask you to integrate with your Gmail account. Simply click Allow. Next step is you will integrate your Salesforce account. You're just going to connect to Salesforce, and then allow access for Salesforce, clicking Allow, and then Grace will take you to your Welcome to Grace homepage. And when you have a moment, feel free to just review your terms of use, your data and privacy policies, which you see here. Also keep in mind, the other way to install Grace is directly from your Gmail account. You'd simply install the plugin by following the link for your browser. And at any time, if you need help with anything with Grace, just simply click in the Grace link here for the Grace Help Center. Now, when you click on the blue button to proceed to Grace, it's going to take you over to your dashboard of your Grace timeline. Grace you'll see here, has already scanned for updates that reflect over the past 3 days for any pre-existing entities inside your Salesforce account. Here you see Grace has updated a lead and captured an email for that same lead. And any update that Grace makes can be modified at any time, which we'll demonstrate right here by adding a phone number to this lead, and then you just simply click Save. You'll be able to see that Grace has made the appropriate update to Salesforce. And you can click on any update to get directly to the specific entity inside Salesforce, such as in this case with Grace, we went through with an inquiry email. And any Grace update can also be declined at any time. Without fear of jeopardizing your data, you would just simply click on the red X, and when you do, you'll be able to see in a yellow highlight, Update Declined. When you create a new entity inside Salesforce, whether it's a new account, a contact, or a lead, Grace will capture any communication for the past 3 months related to this entity. Emails, events, attachments, any information updates, and Grace actually logs them into Salesforce without you having to be logged into Salesforce, without any manual work on your part. It will typically take about 10 minutes for the updates to appear, but for the purposes of this demo, the updates will appear instantaneously. Now, in addition to capturing your emails and your attachments, Grace parses through the person's email signature and will also capture any missing contact information that's in that signature, like a phone number or a last name. You'll be able to also see that in real time on your dashboard and in the entity as well in your Salesforce account. Another item too that Grace gives you a great feature for is this capturing the events, any events that you've had with a new leader contact, and getting the past events. It'll capture all of the calendar information and attachments for you to reference. So you can see right here in this particular profile, the Google Calendar link is right there showing up. And keep in mind, lastly, if you need to find any update, you would just simply use your Grace timeline. On the dashboard, in the upper right corner, you'll see that there is a drop-down menu for the search and filter function. You'd simply just click on what you're looking for as far as the category, and there it is. So it's that simple, it's that easy. Let Grace be your main update and sign up today.